Hey guys, it's Bridget with the Bridget Moore Group here at our newest listing in Grand Lake Estates. Grand Lake Estates is a gated neighborhood zoned to Montgomery ISD. This home is 1.5 stories, around 3,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, game room, dining room, study, even a pool, hot tub, and 30 by 40 shop. You've got a highly desirable floor plan with all your bedrooms downstairs, including 2 primary bedrooms, both with their own full bath, plus a game room upstairs with an additional full bath. This home has a granite island kitchen and is open to the breakfast, dining, and den. Situated on 1.5 acres, this is where luxury meets privacy. You've got an extended covered back patio, plus an extended driveway, perfect for your RVs, trailers, and more. This home has a ton of updates, including a recent roof, water heaters, and ACs. For any questions or to schedule your private tour on this home, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.